Is your water company being negatively impacted by turning off the water supply? Affecting hospitals, businesses, schools, homes. Using isolation valves requires large networks to be shut down, resulting in complaints on social media, through the mail, or via your call center. They run the risk of knock-on bursts due to pressure transients when operating valves, leading to increased operational costs, water quality issues, discoloration generated during recharge, and impacting corporate PR and image, future ability to sell water to customers, and regulatory fines for water companies. You can avoid all of these issues with our solutions. Introducing the WASK Aquastop. It isolates small sections of the network. And WASK Hydrant Wizard isolates risers, replacing the fire hydrants and valves. Aquastop, international line stopping and bypass solutions, in partnership with WASK, a specialist gas equipment provider. We have a global reach, selling to over 60 countries. Quality accreditations, including ISO 9001, ISO 14001 and BSI Kite Mark. And we're always in supply as a lead development partner for Thames Water. Aquastop, international line stopping and bypass solutions, in partnership with WASK, from mains to meter.